In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram unable to send messages fast and easily. If you're tapping send and nothing is going through, or your messages are stuck and not delivering, the issue is usually one of two things. Either Telegram is having a server problem, or your account has been temporarily restricted. The good news is that both are easy to check. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, before changing anything on your phone, we need to check whether Telegram is actually down. Open your browser and go to Downdetector, then search for Telegram. Downdetector will show you whether other users are reporting problems right now. If you see a big spike in reports, that usually means Telegram's servers are experiencing an outage. In that case, there is nothing wrong with your account or phone, and the only fix is to wait until Telegram restores service. You can keep checking back after a while, but if the servers are down, messages simply will not send until the issue is resolved on their side. Now, if Downdetector shows that Telegram is working normally, the next thing to check is whether your account has been restricted. Telegram can temporarily limit accounts that appear to be sending too many messages, unsolicited messages, or adding non-contacts to groups. To check this, open Telegram and search for the official at Spambot. This bot is used by Telegram to let you see whether your account has any active restrictions. Open the chat with @Spambot and send it a message. The bot will reply with information about your account status and whether you've been flagged. If it shows that your account has been limited, follow the instructions it provides and wait out the restriction period. In many cases, the limitation is temporary, and once the restriction expires, you'll be able to send messages normally again. If you're not restricted and Telegram's servers are up, then the issue may be temporary app behavior, so close and reopen Telegram, check your internet connection, and try again. But in most cases, one of those two checks will identify the problem quickly. So just to recap, if Telegram won't send messages, first check server status on Downdetector, and if the service is up, message @Spambot to see whether your account has been restricted. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.